1979 Camaro Z28 represents the peak of Camaro performance blending, aggressive styling with raw V8 power. As one of the most iconic muscle cars of the late 70s, this model captured the spirit of American performance even as emissions regulations began to take a toll on horsepower figures with its bold design and track-inspired engineering. The Z28 remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the 19 Camaro Z28 was powered by a 350 V8 engine, producing 175 horsepower and 270 pounds-ft of torque. While these numbers may seem modest compared to earlier muscle cars, the combination of a tuned suspension and aggressive gearing allowed for impressive real performance. A 3-speed automatic transmission came standard, while a 4-speed manual option gave drivers a more engaging experience. The dual snorkel air induction system helped improve throttle response, enhancing the muscle car feel. The chassis and suspension were designed for both straight-line speed and improved handling. Featuring a sport-tuned suspension with heavy-duty shocks and sway bars, the Z28 offered a more controlled driving experience compared to its predecessors. Power-assisted front disc brakes and rear drums provided adequate stopping power, while the wide 15-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires ensured maximum grip whether on the road or at the track. Inside the 1979 Camaro Z28 featured a driver-focused cockpit with bucket seats, a center console, and a sporty 3-spoke steering wheel. The dashboard was equipped with a full set of gauges, including a tachometer and oil pressure monitor, giving drivers essential performance data at a glance. Available upgrades included power, windows, air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio, adding convenience to the high-performance experience. While not the most luxurious interior of the era, it was designed for comfort and control, making long drives and spirited runs equally enjoyable. The exterior design of the Z28 was one of its most striking features. With bold striping, aggressive fender flares, and a functional rear spoiler, the car had an unmistakable presence. The signature hood scoop and Z28 badging reinforced its performance pedigree, making it stand out on the streets. The wide stance and low-slung body gave it an aerodynamic advantage, while options like T-tops added a touch of open-air excitement. If you enjoy deep dives into legendary muscle cars and high-performance classics, be sure to join the community. Your support fuels more exciting content and keeps the passion for these iconic machines alive. Subscribe today and stay connected to the world of timeless American performance.